Hey guys, it's your girl Long Came Anna, aka Anna, aka the innovator, the creator, the model, the owner of Heavenly Beauty. And I wanted to come on here and talk to you guys about the products we offer today on the website. So let's get started. So we're gonna first start off with one of our lip scrubs. You can find it on the website. Let's open it up. They come with some protection seal, so it's no leakage, none of that. You open it up, see that? Super firm, there's nothing coming out, beautiful. Second, we have two other lip scrubs, caramel, bubblegum. Like I said, they come with their seal. Beautiful. And they smell amazing, they taste amazing, and they get the job done. How great is that? Super great. Isn't that right? After using the spatula or your finger, see, we can just take a little bit. Finger. The Heavenly Scrub helps with discoloration of the lips and taking away the dead skin off your lips, and it helps with hydrating and nourishing. We can go in with one of the spatulas offered that will be placed in the packaging bags for my beautiful Heavenly dolls. So we can use, like I said, we can use our fingers, or we can use one of the spatulas that will be offered free of charge for my beauties. So we go in, we can just take a little scoop, a little scoop, a little scoop. And we're gonna go in. You see I have lip gloss on? We're gonna go in for our lips. Can you see that? Just use that to scrub it, scrub, scrub. You're gonna wanna get your hands dirty. Take a little wipe, and we wipe it off. Now, do you notice a difference? Super soft, super nourishing, keeps your lips super soft and amazing. They also come in amazing packaging. Heavenly Beauty for the win.